Okay, so I'm going to do what I did on the previous slide with this new question. So I'm going to read my question twice. Then I'm going to circle my numbers, and then I'm going to underline any information that I think that will help me solve this. So Cooper bought 157 Christmas pencils, and Lucas bought 121 Christmas pencils too. How many Christmas pencils did they buy all together? So now I'm going to read my question again. Cooper bought 157 Christmas pencils. Lucas bought 121 pencils too. How many Christmas pencils did they buy all together? So I know my two numbers are going to be 157 and 121. Now I'm going to look at the question that it's asking. So how many Christmas pencils did they buy all together? So I'm going to underline all together, because that lets me know that I'm going to be adding. So 157 plus 121. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 5 plus 2, 7. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So altogether, Christmas pencils they had all together is 278.